Hi guys, for me this is the most common issue that my zipper teeth will not close. So don't worry, we have a very simple and easy solution to fix this up at home, and you literally don't need much for this. Just one plier and you will be able to fix this common zipper issue. We are going to tighten the slider. This part is called slider, and for that we will have to press these two sides using a plier and make sure that you gently squeeze the slider. Do this by closing the plier and apply slight pressure on the sides of the slider to make it a grip that teeth are more securely. So let's see if it works. Oops, it doesn't work this time. So I'm going to try this one more time and repeat this step again by taking the zipper to the corner this time. Now press both the sides one by one and apply gentle pressure, and let's check if it works. Oh yes, this works this time. See, after this you have to zip and unzip quite a few times to make sure that everything is working properly. So the tip here is that gently grasp the slider and be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the slider or the zipper teeth. So our zipper is fixed, and trust me, this is my all-time favorite DIY to fix the slider issue. Be it is a bag zipper or a pouch or a cover, everyone come to me to fix this up. So give this trick a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.